This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, taking a look at one of the best performing stocks for early December 2020 for this year. We can see the stock is MRNA, one of the better performing stocks for 2020. And you can see the last mention for my clients was November 16th, just before the last couple of days where the instrument has gone crazy. It has erupted. And also we've mentioned it a couple of times in the middle and early part of November as we were anticipating an explosive move. And you can see right here over the last couple of days, the last breakout coming on the 16th of November, just a couple of days ago. And now we can see that breakout above that range with the blue line. The stock has gone crazy. Moving from, let's say, the breakout on the daily, we can say was just in the mid 90s. And now in about 4 or 5 days, the instrument has come close to touching 180. This is very, very desirable. It is exactly what everybody out there is looking for. Now, if you take a look at the daily again, and we can see now discussing why an instrument can give you an idea, can show you its potential. And one of the ways you can understand that an instrument is forming a nice quality base is how the RSI is responding. By the way, you can see here this breakout that I'm showing was also part of our early breakouts early in the year. So this instrument has been on our radar with each successful breakout. And so at least we can say that this monster for 2020 has been part of our breakout candidates for this year. Even the breakout in July, even though not as successful, was also a quality breakout for a short swing trade. Now, as I was talking about the quality of breakouts, when a base is forming, as you can see here, a sideways base, one of the things that you can insist on is the RSI on the weekly stay above 50. Again, the RSI on the weekly should stay above 50 if the instrument is going to be staging a nice sideways consolidation. Holding above 50 is a sign of an instrument that could explode should it break out. Now, the main takeaway, actually, the biggest thing to look for, the most powerful aspect of any instrument is on the monthly. As you can see here, by the way, we also captured the breakout above the 74 and change area. As you can see here, we can see here that there is a monthly closing high right there. And then there is a monthly closing low right there. This is where we can see the bracketing of the sideways base. The stock was trading sideways in that type of consolidation for a couple of months, sideways action. And you know that if there's going to be a breakout, which we captured right there, it's going to be explosive. And the main reason why it's going to be explosive is because of the character of the RSI, how the RSI behaved. Here we can see that clearly the RSI was holding above 69.1. So throughout this process, the instrument was holding above 69.1. And this is the key. The 69.1 level holding when an instrument is sideways is a key indication of potential to move and move with a very powerful force. Again, initially there is a powerful move, and then there is a consolidation period, which we see here. And the consolidation after the powerful move happens while the RSI defends the 69.1 threshold. This is the secret. This is the key. This is how you know that an instrument is not your average daily breakout for a couple of points, couple percentage points. No. When the RSI can hold above 69.1, you know that you have a quality instrument that could explode should it break out. Now, sometimes they don't break out, but that's another story. What we're talking about here is what happens if an instrument goes sideways and breaks out. By the way, as of late October, for paid clients, I kept emphasizing this instrument because of that monthly chart as you just saw. So even as of late October, it looked to me that there was a good probability that a breakout would push this stock higher. And you can see here the stock was mentioned even as of early November, multiple times as of late October. But why? Why this continuous mentioning of this instrument? Well, the main reason is that monthly chart. That is the key. The monthly chart, as you can see here, the buy point was at 74.10. And this is as of October 29th. And again, I just want to emphasize this because it's something that people don't know. It's my own kind of formula. And you can see here again, this is October's monthly chart. So we've gone back to the October monthly chart. The RSI was holding above 69.1. All we needed was a price breakout. Everything was set up. The setup was perfect. The RSI was above 69.1. This is the secret. This is my secret for you. This is, I'm winking at you. This is the secret recipe. RSI holding above 69.1 after a powerful move, sideways action, and the RSI remains above 69.1. This is the secret. This is how you know that this is a potential explosive situation based on some unique circumstances. All right. It's not your average breakout. You know the power it's been built in. Now, take a look at what happened after that. So this is an explosive type of, let's call it, way to analyze your instruments. It's a way to filter which instruments you should spend your time on. Because if you can spend your time on instruments with superior RSI quality, then every now and then you're going to find yourself owning some of these explosive instruments in the market. And this happens over and over and over again. Again, the secret is that RSI 69.1. On the weekly, it is RSI 50. So again, just not to confuse you, on the weekly, 50. So again, on the monthly, you want your RSI to be above 69.1. This is my gift to you. On the weekly, you want your weekly RSI to be above 50. These are instruments that are looking to explode. They might seem like they're just moving sideways for a while, but as long as they maintain those RSI minimum and hold above those levels, there is a chance that the instruments could explode. So, this is how you know which ones are the best. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.